YouTube, it's your boy Mama from Barber Jacobs, and welcome back to my channel. And I'm so sorry, I've been very busy for the past few days, few weeks, because starting September 1st, I started working my internship as well as my another job, and I'm also in the midst of transitioning from my apartment on campus on university to my new apartment. So I'm moving a lot of stuff and signing contracts and doing a lot of things. So I haven't been able to upload a video for this week, but I will. This is the video that I'll be uploading. But be patient, the more content coming through, and make sure to stay tuned on my channel. Hit the subscribe button. I'll wait for you. I'll give you 10 seconds. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. So more and more, starting from September, more and more better content. I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. I'm trying to set up my home setup, barber setup in my apartment. So I'm gonna show it. I'm gonna show it to you guys sometime next week or 2 weeks or so once everything's settled. But stay tuned and enjoy the tutorial. Peace. Alright YouTube, starting off with creating my first guideline, and my client wanted mid-fade, so I'm starting not too high, not too low, somewhere in the middle. And the guideline goes, drops to the back of his hair and it goes around his hair. Taking out the bulk using the same clippers and lever all the way close and clean up the bottom. And right now I'm using the KMA KM 2024 foil shaver, which I previously made a video on review and performance test. If you want to check out, make sure to go to my channel and check it out. Just for the sake of clean look at the end, I'm just balding out the bottom of the guideline. Alright, so open up the lever all the way and go up and create your second guideline. Go up on about an inch, which is 2.5 centimeters, and make sure to be consistent. And what I like to do is I go back and forth so that it takes out the hair completely, so that it's consistent, so that it doesn't leave out any bulky spot or dark spot. Alright, so close up the lever all the way and flick out that initial guideline. In this video, you can't really see the guideline, but I'm just going through so that it is part of the process and it needs to be happened. And I'm just flicking out, and as I go up, I'm opening up the lever halfway so the first guideline blends into the second guideline. Your number one guard and open up the lever all the way, and once again go open about an inch. But what I like to do is I like to go up a little bit higher, because the more you go up, the better you're working in the transition and the more better the transitions are. So I like to go a little bit high to see like which part is to be flicked out by the next step. but also once again, be consistent throughout his hair. Go back and forth and take out the ball.
PQNO on the track.
Put your 0.5 guard and close up the lever and flick out that second guideline. And hair texture like this, my client, make sure to brush it down the hair once in a while so that you can see the dark spot or like the bulky lines. So you can do the flick out motion to take out the hair completely.
PQNO on the track.
Put your number 2 guard level all the way closed and go up and about less than an inch, yeah, or like 1 centimeter, but this time try to imagine flicking out into the air, not into the hair. So it's like you're using your wrist to swing it up and swing it out. And we can see the fade is coming out.
PQNO on the track.
And when I brush it, I can still see there's a prominent bulky line, so that's what I like to use this 1.5 guard level all the way open to blend in completely. And yeah, this, I'm not creating a guideline, I'm just like attacking the line. And if there's still a line after you use 1.5 guard level all the way open, just close up and adjust it. And even if you see with closing up the lever, maybe we have to go back to number 1 guard level all the way open. But in this case, I'm just sticking to just 1.5 guard because I don't see any problems here.
PQNO on the track.
So yeah, basically this is as simple as it can get, and I'm just etching up his hairline and it's almost done, and I think the fade is coming out, and just clean up the hair clean up the tiny details.
PQNO on the track.
And you too, what do you guys think? Let me know what you think. Give me your opinion, give me your feedback, anything, or just send me a DM on Instagram. We can talk, we can chat, we can connect. Make sure to subscribe and hit that thumbs up button and share with your friends, family, and a loved one. And I'm sorry for being late to upload this video, but I was busy this whole week, and I'm gonna try to upload and create more contents like this. So stay tuned, and I hope to see you very soon. Boost!